Hey beautiful people, what's up? In this very quick video, I'll be quickly showing you a mechanism how as a IT service providing company you should arrange your silo structure of your website so that the positioning of your business remains very clear in the target market. Most of the IT services companies, you target two different markets. The market where you technically promote your skills, services, the tech portfolio. Let us say, for example, if I'm talking about technology portfolio, your software development services, your AR, VR development services, your cloud services, maybe your IoT development services, maybe your digital transformation services. So these are the skills that you are marketing to a starving sector or segment, starving for a specific solution pertaining to a very specific skill. The other market that you are trying to target is the enterprise segment market, where you're exactly trying to solve a problem, a business problem, bringing some change in the business process in a specific segment. The segments can be healthcare, logistics, travel, tourism, hospitality, e-commerce. It can be manufacturing, right? So primarily what I see, you have two different area of focus. So but how exactly can convey the message in such a way on your website so that the positioning remains very clear for each and every segment that you're going after. Your business website is just like a business tool. It's a messaging mechanism. It's a sales tool that works even when and your entire company is sleeping. So it's very much important that you work on your website silo structure right now, right today, just after the tutorial, and make your website an amazing funnel that generates high quality inquiries, bring in high quality leads on the landing pages, well structured landing pages, and generate inquiries on your offers. So let us quickly go to the PC and understand things in detail. So as you can see on the screen, it's all about the silo structure of a service business website. Primary menu or the top level navigation, which is the major reason why I'm making this video today. The first comes first is the home page. Home page is the entire representation of your entire business. You have to kind of understand it's a resume of your entire company. Under the about us section, what I believe, the vision, mission, the history about your company and the team. Of course, here comes the services page. Under the services page, this is how you have to structure your services. That means these are the skills or the solutions that you are open for a specific segment. That means these are the services that you think that any company might be looking for, having a need of a specific technology. Just like digital, when I'm clicking on digital transformation, it's all about supply chain and legacy modernization. Electric vehicles, it's all about e-mobility. ERP solution. So right now it is just like a reverse positioning where I'm trying to reach out to a group of people who doesn't have any specific industrial requirement, but they want to build something around tech. Something around tech. Just like cloud services, cloud managed services, cloud consulting, AWS. So these are the pages where exactly you can showcase your different industry case studies and how exactly a cloud service can bring an enterprise change and optimize and improve the efficiency of a business process. Right. The most important part here is the industry. When you click on the industry tab, industry page, you see there are multiple child pages, or I must say multiple categories like e-commerce, construction, oil, gas, event, banking, insurance, finance, wellness, gaming, logistic, aviation, news, and education. So these are the sectors. These are the sectors where you need to go after. Your business analysis team should be very proactive in understanding the input and output, this entire workflow of this industry, so that they can suggest how exactly your solution can bring in a change in their operation, improve their efficiency, cut down their cost, or improve their profit. So these are nothing but your landing pages, industry specific landing pages. It will help you to position your company and get ranked on Google on a very specific solution for a very specific industry. Very specific industry. So portfolio where you can showcase all your case studies, insights, again, the information repository, the white paper, the case studies, the blog, press releases, webinar, careers, and contact us. So very quick video. If you have any questions or any doubts around how much the wireframe of the homepage must look like, or how exactly I can construct the wireframe of a specific industry page or a technology page for maximum conversion, use the comment section. I will be more than happy to help. And the good news is the demand generation mastery for IT services and IT services and solutions companies live right now. If you are an IT solution marketer or sales, inside sales director struggling to generate demand for your IT services, trust me, the demand generation mastery can be a game changer for you. You can click on the link below and check out what's happening there. The next batch of demand generation mastery for IT services and solution founders, sales directors, inside sales, presenters is going to begin soon. Thank you so much. This is our podcast. See you in my next episode. Thank you so much.